Alright guys, we're here in Reno, Nevada. Not our final destination. We're going to be in Vegas tomorrow and Sunday night, and we'll stop back by here. Little Seton vacation. So what you're about to see in this video is going to be kind of a mishmash. It's going to be some videos of the landscape on our way here from Terrebonne, Oregon, and then I got some video of our hotel room on the way. You're gonna love my video of the gas station we stopped at, because it's pretty fucking ridiculous what this communist state does to you. So when you're heading into California, there's a check station. It wasn't even open, mind you. There's no check stations out of California into Nevada or Oregon. Only into California, from Nevada to California, from Oregon to California, but nothing. And they're not even open half the time. What a communist goddamn state that is. Why anybody would live in California is beyond me. But yeah, and they're moving into our states, Oregon, Washington, Idaho. They'll be in a state near you soon. But anyway, enjoy the video, guys. Some of this is just landscape. I was having a good time showing you guys the landscape of our drive. Some beautiful areas, and our hotel room's pretty nice. So enjoy the video. We stopped, we're just outside of Susanville, California. Check this fucking nonsense out. $5.29 for regular. Yeah, go California. And then if you come over here, the gas stations don't like it either. Let me bring that up. California lawmakers are driving up gas prices. Scan here to do something about it. Fucking nonsense, isn't it? Look at this fucking bullshit. If I can get my phone to work. There we go. $5.29. You're paying $5.79 for diesel. Ridiculous, man. Just goddamn ridiculous. Ugh. Why does it? And they're coming to our state and messing it up. The state of Oregon. The fall colors. We're about 30 miles out of Reno. Sorry about the bright sun there. Say hi to my wife. No, I won't put it on. She was flipping me off. And about 30 miles outside of Reno. We're on the dry side of the mountains, guys. There's huge Cascade Peaks over here that you can't see. Sun's going down. We're gonna be there soon. And hey, maybe I'll play some slots for you. Who knows? Sorry guys, we are in Reno. The casino, the traffic. We got about a couple more miles on the freeway. Can't see much here. There's a casino in front of us there. That's the, I don't know that one. Anyway, sorry honey. About to get on our exit, get to our casino, start gambling. All right, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll use that term loosely, gentlemen, because I know how you guys are. Check out our room here. We just got to Reno. It's at the Atlantis Casino and Spa. HVAC paid for it. That's what those stupid HVAC sites say. No, my hard work paid for it. Here we go. Nice big screen. We're not going to spend much time in here anyway. Well, maybe in there, but yeah, not bad. A little shower there, see-through. You know, I'll leave the door open so I can watch my wife tomorrow. Yeah, a little wet bar with another flat screen television. Another bathroom. Not bad. Hey, I did pretty good for myself. They upgraded us when we got here. Not a bad room, wouldn't you say? Shit, I could live here. It'd break me, but I could live here. So anyway, just want to show you guys the room. Not too shabby. See my ugly mug. So we're here, guys. My wife just went out to get some ice. She wants to make her mixed drink. We had a good drive. It was a quick, easy drive. Took us about 7 hours. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you ever come to Reno, come to the Atlantis Casino and Spa. It's a great place, and we stay here every time we come to Reno. So yeah, let's flip it around. Let me show you that jacuzzi tub. Might be some magic happening there later. All right, see you guys later.